Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your IT infrastructure with Rackspace, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current IT infrastructure. Identify the critical components that require protection. Log in to your Rackspace account. Navigate to the Security Settings dashboard. Evaluate the existing security measures in place. Set up a dedicated firewall to control incoming and outgoing traffic. Configure access controls for user permissions. Implement multi-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. Regularly update your applications and systems to close vulnerabilities. Utilize Rackspace backup solutions to safeguard your data. Conduct routine security audits to identify potential risks. Establish an incident response plan for timely action against breaches. Educate your team on best security practices and protocols. Monitor logs and alerts to detect any unusual activity. Leverage Rackspace compliance certifications to align with industry standards. Apply encryption to sensitive data, both in transit and at rest. Keep documentation of all security procedures for accountability. Review and adjust your security measures regularly as threats evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.